Ever looked at your garden and wondered how you could make it even more serene and balanced? Welcome to the world of Feng Shui, a timeless art of harmonizing spaces. Imagine applying these principles to your garden, enhancing its tranquility and vitality. Well, with a few simple steps, you can apply Feng Shui principles to your garden and enhance its positive energy. Applying Feng Shui to your garden isn't as complex as it might sound. It's all about harmonizing your outdoor space to invite positivity. Firstly, selecting the right plants is crucial. Opt for a blend of different types, sizes, and colors to represent diversity and balance. You might consider some evergreens for longevity, blooming plants for growth, and fruit-bearing trees for abundance. Next, think about arrangement. A balanced Feng Shui garden isn't too crowded or too sparse. Arrange your plants in a way that allows each one to breathe and flourish. Remember, Feng Shui is all about the flow of energy, so avoid any arrangement that blocks this flow. Now let's talk about incorporating Feng Shui elements. Water is a strong Feng Shui element that attracts wealth and prosperity. You could incorporate it with a small fountain or a bird bath. Wind chimes are also a popular addition. The gentle, soothing sounds they create can help to circulate positive energy throughout your garden. Lastly, always keep your garden tidy. A clean, well-maintained garden is an inviting garden. This goes hand in hand with the Feng Shui principle of clutter-free spaces. And just like that, you are well on your way to creating a harmonious garden space filled with positive energy. As you can see, Feng Shui isn't just for your home's interior. It brings balance, harmony, and a sense of well-being to your outdoor spaces too. By incorporating the 5 elements, using colors purposefully, and mindfully arranging plants and garden decor, you're not just designing a garden, you're creating a sanctuary. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!